Let's try that taxi driver street hack. Although I don't think I need to do it because I can sort of nug it over to the right. Oh, we've got drama. Oh, we've got drama. Somebody's going to get reported because the boss had his front camera on. And it was in regards to middle fingers.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking chalk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me laying face down. And find the sword in your eye.
If you let me through, dude, I will. Okay, it was the only way it would work. This is the funny thing about this part here, is you can legally get off and wheel it through, but you're not allowed to sit on your bike as you go through it. Oh, fucking crazy. Fucking ride across the grass in the country, that's what they do. Cheers, pal. What's that? Oh, yeah, all the way. Oh, look at that. What a distraction.
Our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion. Roof comes up till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my high progress, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.